everybody, welcome to my channel DIY with Knick-Knack, where no mess is too big to clean up. Today I'm coming at you guys with another Bumblebee DIY. I'm so excited to be presenting this to you all. It's taken me quite some time to get it together because I've been busy with work and other things, but it's finally done and I'm so excited to share. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my before and afters. For example, this beehive I got from Walmart for $1.58, I believe it was. It was on sale, it was a great deal, and I just bought it home and did a little spray paint and it turned out totally beautiful. A lot of these items that you're going to be seeing here are budget friendly. I don't believe I paid over $3 for anything that you see here. So enjoy! The flower on the bottom of my beehive in the middle, I actually got it from Hobby Lobby for their 90% off. You know, I had to get it on sale, so I definitely did not pay much for it. That was another item that I did not get from the Dollar Tree or did not cost me $1. This beehive was super easy and fun to make with the two items that you just saw. The flower that's on the bottom, I actually got that from the secondhand store. It used to be white and I've had it for some years and I've never known what to do with it. So I definitely was excited to pair it with this beehive. This pillowcase was my most expensive item. I purchased it off of Shein. Forgive me if I said that wrong. It was only $3 and it made the perfect picture. I absolutely loved tier trays, so I made a mini one to go with my decorations. And this, my friends, is the final look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I had so much fun creating all these wonderful DIYs, and I had even more fun styling them. Oftentimes I make a lot of DIYs and I don't know what to do with them, so I definitely want to make sure that I put these to some good use. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my videos. I really do appreciate it. I definitely plan on dropping some more videos here soon. I have a Juneteenth video that I'm working on right now, and the DIYs as well. Even if I don't finish in time for Juneteenth, I'm still going to post a video because I've been so excited about these DIYs and I can't wait to share them with you all. Thank you so much again and God bless you.